keyboard not working, or want to disable it instantly? In the next few seconds, I will show you the fastest way to lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. First, quickly check if your keyboard is actually working. In my case, my keyboard is working. You can see here. Now, to lock your keyboard, press and hold the right shift key for 8 to 10 seconds. And now you will hear the beep sound. Now click on yes. And now you can see my keyboard is now locked. I am typing, but the characters are not appearing on the screen. Now to unlock the keyboard, you have to press and hold the right shift key again for 8 seconds. And now you can see my keyboard is working perfectly again. That's how you can easily lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.